Looking good in Frankfurt. Capitol building is lit up, kind of blurry, out of focus, but you can see it. And fortunately, no precipitation to occlude the view. 26 degrees. This is a big deal this morning. It is cold. It's 19 in Williamsburg, you're down to 20 in Monticello, and the wind chill makes it feel that much worse. Monticello had a single-digit wind chill earlier. They're back up to a balmy 10 degrees for the wind chill, and it feels like it's 17. So early this morning, kids out at the bus stop, folks working outside. Some layers may not be a bad idea because, yeah, it's pretty cold. Now, we'll have a southwesterly wind shift today, and we'll warm up to the low 40s, maybe some mid 40s, and even that's short-lived because there's a cold front tracking our way. So although it's quiet across much of the Commonwealth this morning, as you head back northwest, there's some snow, a little bit of moisture on the move, and it's related to this cold front that's tracking south. So this frontal boundary goes through overnight. It'll do three things: bring some very light precipitation and also knock temperatures back down again for your Friday. Tomorrow, after 40s today and 20s overnight, we're probably going to stay in the 30s for highs. Now, there will be just a hint of a light icy mix possible this evening and overnight. I was thinking we may see some rain showers late in the afternoon, but this front slowed down a little bit, so the precipitation tracks through overnight. This is getting into 1 o'clock this afternoon, increasing cloud cover, and here comes that hint of a mix. By late this evening, early tomorrow morning. Could be some light freezing drizzle, maybe even a few rain showers at the onset south and west, but as temperatures are dropping, we'll see a changeover. So some light freezing drizzle and just maybe a snow shower or two on the back end of it as it finally gets cold enough. But that's as the front's out of here, the moisture is departing. So yeah, some sunshine Friday, but the cold is going to linger. As far as precipitation amounts, I want to bump back to that, just skip past it. Yeah, sparse coverage here. You may see some minor accumulation, maybe a few tenths of an inch on the grass, but again, very slim chance we're going to see much out of this. There may be some slick spots tomorrow morning. Now, on to this weekend. A lot of folks talking about it. Saturday into Sunday, an evolving significant winter storm, early season winter storm. You can see those wind lines converging along the Gulf Coast. The track has it far enough south that we will see some influence from it, possibly an icy, wet, icy mix over to some snow. I think the main impact, though, here, not so much in the bluegrass in northern Kentucky, but our southeastern Kentucky counties. The bullseye for the heaviest ice and snow accumulation, and it could be crippling for the western parts of Virginia and North Carolina, is right there. So we're going to catch this storm in the formative stages, and then as it goes off the coast, there you can see that swirl off the coast of Charleston. That's where you really get into that heavier precipitation just dumping in the mountains. Coming up, I've got a graphic that'll show you where the highest concentration of snow and ice could be. Any kind of travel, especially east of Lexington into eastern Kentucky, but especially into the mountains beyond our Commonwealth border, is just going to be treacherous late in the weekend, early next week. Low 40s, partly to mostly cloudy, a few showers late today, and then that slight icy mix. Watch out. There may be some slick spots on the roads tomorrow morning, but it's a very limited shot. And then the cold lingers. One of the problems with precipitation type into the weekend, late in it, early next week, is temperatures. I mean, look, we're above freezing during the day, below freezing overnight. Stick with us. Sunrise will be back, and I'll take a closer look at that.